Hey, my dear student, please, I'm begging you. If you are thinking just to give my course a bad review without writing why you do that and what should we fix it in that course, just leave that review with yourself. I don't want it. Because I'm sorry I'm being very rude, but some people they deserve to be with them rude because I'm working about 2 months to do this course and it covers all the topic from all the sides from start basics to more advanced tactics, and if you don't know something or you don't like something, there is the question section where you can write anything and I will answer you as soon possible. And that the power of taking the courses, not like when you're reading a book from Amazon, you will not have anyone to answer your questions. And if you don't have any question, just write hey or hello, I take this course for that reason. And that instead of spending 3 hours in the course, I will show you exactly which section what you are looking for, and you will not spend a lot of time to learn exactly what you are looking for. And I love to hear your feedback. If this course is the best you have taken, help me to rank it in the first page for other people who are searching for the same topic to find it. And if you don't like something, all you have to do is just post a suggestion. Tell me, hey, hello, you should improve that or this and make it like that, and we'll make that course more better for you and for any future student. Tell me what we can do better and I will do it. And at the end, thank you very much for taking this course. So let's start now.